Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're diving into a super festive and fun project, crocheting an adorable Santa Claus keychain. This little guy makes a perfect handmade gift for the holidays or a cute accessory for your keys or bag. Plus, if you skip the keychain clip, it doubles as a charming Christmas tree ornament. How versatile is that? In this video, I'll guide you step by step through the process, from creating Santa's fluffy beard to adding those final details that bring him to life. For this keychain, I'm using Himalaya Himagurumi cotton yarn. And for my hook, I am using a 2.20mm crochet hook. Before we jump in, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share it with your crochet-loving friends. Alright, let's grab our hooks, and let's dive right into this festive project and make a seriously cute keychain. Let's begin the pattern by making a magic ring with the powder pink yarn. Chain 3. Including the starting chain, work 12 double crochet stitches into the magic ring. Join the round with a slip stitch into the top of the first chain. Now, chain 3 again. In that same space you slip stitched into, make a double crochet. Then, in each double crochet from the previous round, make 2 double crochets. By the time you're done, you will have a total of 24 double crochets. Once you reach the end of the round, slip stitch into the top of the first chain. Chain 1, then cut the yarn, and let's switch to white yarn. Let's tighten up the magic ring and tie off the yarn in the back to hide it. Okay, now with your white yarn, let's secure the yarn on top of any double crochet from the previous round. Chain 3. And into that same space, make a double crochet. In the next space, make 1 double crochet. In the next space, make 2 double crochets. In the next space, make 1 double crochet. Repeat this pattern of 2 double crochets, 1 double crochet, all the way around until you complete the round. Once you reach the end, join with a slip stitch to the top of the first chain. Now, skip a space, and in the next space, make 6 double crochets. Skip 1 stitch, then make a slip stitch. Skip 1 stitch, and work 6 double crochets into that same stitch. Skip 1 stitch, then make another slip stitch. Skip 1 stitch, and again, work 6 double crochets into that stitch. There you go, we've created Santa's beard. Now let's make a chain of 13, not too tightly, okay? Flip the chain so the front faces you. Then, slip stitch into the same space where you made the very first slip stitch earlier. Into that very first chain you just made, single crochet. In the next chain, half double crochet. Then, make 2 double crochets in the next 2 chains, 1 in each chain. In the next chain, half double crochet. In the next chain, single crochet. Now, let's make 2 slip stitches next to each other. Then, let's repeat that last sequence again. Single crochet, half double crochet, 2 double crochets. In the next 2 chains, 1 in each chain, half double crochet, and in the last chain, slip stitch. We've completed the design. Now, slip stitch into the space right after the double crochet from the previous row. Chain 1, then cut the yarn, and we'll move on to red yarn now. Here's what we've got so far. Now, let's pick a space right after the slip stitch from the previous row and secure your red yarn. Chain 3. And into that same space, make a double crochet. Make 1 double crochet in the top of the next double crochet. We're going to repeat the same steps we did in the white yarn round. Continue making double crochet stitches, alternating between 2 double crochet in one stitch and 1 double crochet in the next stitch until you reach the next point. When you get to the end of the round, make 1 double crochet in the top of the last stitch. Chain 5. In the second chain from the hook, make a single crochet. In the next chain space, make a half double crochet. Make 3 double crochet stitches in the next 3 chains. Make the third double crochet by inserting your hook into the front 2 loops of the double crochet below. Make a slip stitch in the very last stitch space. Chain 1 and cut the yarn. Now, let's go back to the white yarn. Secure your yarn in the stitch at the tip. Chain 3. Make a single crochet in the same stitch. Chain 3. Make another single crochet in the same stitch. Chain 3. Make 1 last single crochet in the same stitch. Chain 1, cut the yarn and weave in the ends on the back. Now, let's use our red yarn to make Santa's nose. Leave some extra yarn and make a magic ring. Chain 2. Pull up 4 loops from the ring and make a puff stitch. Chain 1, then leave a bit of yarn and cut the yarn. Let's also tighten the magic ring now. After you shape the nose with your fingers, let's thread each of the extra yarn through the magic ring hole. Here, thread the tails through the double crochet stitches from the first powder pink round, going through opposite sides. Then, tie the 2 ends together. There we go. We finished the nose. For the eyes, you can sew on black beads above the first round of double crochet, or you can glue on amigurumi safety eyes like this. Now, to properly attach the keychain clip, we'll need a red ring made of 3 rounds. For this ring, I've repeated the same steps I've used in the first 2 rows of the powder pink yarn, and the row with the white yarn. First row is 12 single crochets into a magic ring. Then, for the second round, work 2 double crochet in each stitch, totaling 24 double crochet stitches. Finally, for the third round, alternate between 2 double crochet in one stitch and 1 double crochet in the next to complete the ring. I left a long tail, as you can see. We're going to attach this ring to the back of Santa's head. When you're gluing it, make sure this yarn tail will be at the center of the hat. To keep the video from being too long, I won't be gluing the eyes on right now. I'll do the gluing off camera. Once the glue is completely dry, take the remaining yarn tail, thread it onto a needle, and pass the needle through the center point and attach the keychain clip. We did it. Our Santa keychain is officially finished. Remember to finish off by adding the eyes and any extra decorations you like. Let everything dry, and your Santa keychain is good to use. That's all for this tutorial. I hope you had fun making Santa with me. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you in my next tutorial. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share it with your crochet-loving friends. Bye for now.